Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We apologize for taking your time. Our name is Elio e le Storie Tese.
Elio and the Travel Stories.
An extremely unprivileged Italian music ensemble. Our story is a story of pain, deprivation, and rejection from singing contest. We now rely on your generous nature. On March 11th at O2 Shepherd Bush Empire in London. We are going to play a concert at awesome Italian music. We are happy to perform because your country has a great tradition of tolerance, welcome and musical taste. Please come and listen to us. It will be a way to turn young again if you are old, a way to remain young if you are young, a way to grow up if you are children. We will sing, dance and be happy in the name of brotherhood, which brings together most of the people in the name of love.
In the name
of love. Hurrah, Italy! Hurrah, UK! We are waiting for you. Please, thank you. We beg you. Ciao.
Ciao.
Thank you very much.